You think cats purr because they're happy? You're only half right. The truth is, this mysterious sound is actually a superpower, one that can help a cat heal itself. And it might even be affecting you too. So, where does the purring sound even come from? It's not like a normal meow. This is a very special process. The cat's brain sends signals to the muscles in their voice box. These muscles contract and relax extremely fast, about 25 to 150 times per second, causing the air to vibrate as the cat breathes both in and out. That's what creates that distinctive purring sound. Of course, the most common reason we know. Cats purr when they feel comfortable. It's the very first signal a kitten learns. They purr to let their mother know, "I'm okay," while nursing. And they use that same sound with us to say, "Don't stop, keep scratching." But here is the exciting part. Veterinarians notice that cats also purr when they are extremely scared or even in deep pain. Why make noise when you're most vulnerable? The answer lies in the frequency. Scientists have measured the frequency of the purr. It sits precisely in the range of 25 to 150 Hz. And this frequency, magically, matches the range used in human medicine for therapy. These vibrations are proven to help increase bone density and help broken bones heal faster, heal soft tissues like muscles and tendons, reduce pain and swelling. In other words, the purr is a survival mechanism. It's an internal therapy machine. Cats are predators, but they also spend most of their time asleep. Creating these vibrations helps their muscles and bones stay active even while resting, keeping their bodies ready to fight or run away. This might be why cats recover faster from surgery than dogs, and why they suffer less from chronic bone and joint diseases. And that superpower isn't just for the cat. Do you feel relaxed when you hear a cat purr? That's not just your imagination. Preliminary studies suggest these low-frequency vibrations can affect us too. Being near a purring cat can help reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and calm the entire nervous system. So, the next time your cat purrs, know that it's not just a hello. It's a complex symphony of survival, healing, and a little bit of natural magic. Do you have another question about science, psychology, or history that is begging to be decoded? Subscribe to the Wondermind channel to keep this flow of knowledge continuous. See you in the next episode.
Until the next deep dive into the mysteries of the everyday, keep wondering. Thank you for watching.